What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mohit the Tech Geek. And today I'm going to show you how to install an app remotely from your phone, from your computer, into your phone, if in case your phone isn't next to you. Okay, so you should go to play.google.com and you should get this interface when you hit enter. The Google Play logo is right here, and on the top you have games, apps, movies, books, and kids. Towards your right, you should have a search bar, a help, and a Google account. In that, you will have an option of managing your Google account, library and devices, payments and subscriptions, my play activity, offers, play points, family, settings, and an option to switch your account. Actually, you can access Google Play only and only if you have a Google account. With all that out of the way, let me show you what is there in Google Play before I'll show you the tutorial. Actually, it's just like Google Play in your phone. Right now, it's on phone option. Let's see what you can do in a tablet. In tablet, it's almost like the same as that of the phone. Most of it will be icons and pictures. On a television, just like a phone too. Chromebook, the same. The thing is, I have only a phone, a tablet, and a TV, not a Chromebook. But most prefer to go with phone in this tutorial because in this tutorial I'm going to focus more on how to install an app into a phone. It will be almost the same method for that of a tablet, television, and a Chromebook, except that the destination for the installation of the app will be different. Okay, so let's say for example, I'm gonna look for an app. Let's see, Linktree. Okay, so now I'm gonna click enter. Um, so now you got the app Linktree link in bio creator. If you remember what that site is, it's the very same site where I showed you on how to make a social media landing page, with whose video is now in my YouTube channel, which I posted almost 3 to 4 months ago. If you want also, I will show that link in the description for you to watch it later. But for now, I want to show you how to install that app. When you click on the app's name, it will redirect you to this site. You will see the name of the app, its icon, the publisher name, reviews, downloads, rating, and this button where you'll have to install the app. Screenshots of the features of the app. A what's new update page, data safety page, rating the app, ratings and reviews, and the data safety page. You can see what data will be shared to the app and the data that app may collect, and some security practices the app will follow. For example, under app activity, app functionality, analytics, advertising or marketing, and personalization will be shared to the app. That is from the app to other companies and or organizations. In under data collected, the app will collect the data from us, personal info, photos or videos, app activity, and so on. So now let's start installing the app. If you need to install, you have to click this button. You will have an amount of options to choose whatever devices you want to install the app on. Actually, the more the number of devices your account is being signed into, the more will the list be. You can choose one device. If you want to review the app once again, you can click view details. Or if you're good to go, you can click this again, choose the device and go ahead with installing. Wait for some time. You'll be redirected to signing in your account for final confirmation. After some time, the app will come in your phone. Here it is. If you want to install it in another device, you can repeat this process again and again. So this is how you install an application to a phone remotely from a computer. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.